this is my contraption of thingies.
Okay, come on.
First, I'm going to place the marble here, and then, just a sec. And then, what you gotta do to make it start is pull this car here. When you pull it, this will go, the marble will roll down here, go down there, then it'll hop on this, change direction a little bit, then it'll change speed, and then go up here, and then it'll hit the dominoes, which will hit this book, which will hit my head when I sleep.
Okay, so you've got pushes and pulls.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the pushes and pulls?
Okay, so there's going to be lots of pushes here. The pull is going to be the start. This is where the pull starts, and it's going to pull this, and then it moves down there, change of speed. Then it does a few turns here, and then it changes speed again to hit the dominoes and makes.
All right.
Okay.
So,
Ah.
okay, Ruby, you want to videotape this for me?
I'm not Ruby, but yes.
Oh, Lily, I mean, you're the same. Okay, and I just hit it?
Uh-huh.
There it goes.
Well.
Okay, good job.